Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to show you how to create a leader with text in Autocad. Leaders are very useful for adding notes, labels, and annotations to your technical drawings. They help make your drawings cleaner, more professional, and easier to understand. So let's get started. First, go to the command line and type MLEADER. Then press enter. The MLEADER command stands for multiple leader, and it allows you to create arrows pointing to specific parts of your drawing. After pressing enter, your cursor will change, showing that AutoCAD is ready for you to choose the arrow point. Now, move your mouse to the object or area you want to annotate. Click once to place the arrow tip. Next, move your cursor slightly away from the object and click again to place the text location. The line connecting these points becomes the leader line. Now, you can type the text you want to display. This could include notes, labels, dimensions, instructions, or any important information related to your drawing. After typing your text, press enter. And just like that, you've successfully created a leader with text in AutoCAD. Now, let's look at how to customize the leader style. Go back to the command line and type MLEADER style. Then press enter. This opens the Multi-Leader Style Manager. From here, you can create new styles, modify existing styles, delete styles, change arrow types, adjust line colors, edit text size and fonts. Using custom leader styles helps maintain consistency across your drawings and makes your projects look more professional. Experiment with different settings to find the style that works best for your workflow. And that's it. Now you know how to create and customize leaders with text in AutoCAD. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this tutorial with others learning AutoCAD. Thanks for watching and happy designing.